Hello guys, welcome to Hasan EduTech English channel. Today I am here for you for basic mathematics series. That is some basic topic in the mathematics. Here some table content that I will teach you. Uh, that I will teach you is addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, followed by division, LCM, SF, and then later I will start the fraction topic. That is a very important topic. Addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, and division of fraction. After finishing all these 10 topics, I will start the uh, backbone of mathematics, that is the board mass. Those who are in those who are preparing for any kind of competitive exam, uh, they can't handle any single question without board mass rule. So if you are preparing any kind of competitive exam, so later you will see the board mass, how its application is working. Firstly, I will teach all the 10 topics that you can see in the screen. So let's start. First topic, that is the addition. So here first topic, and that is the addition. Okay, let's take a example like 2835 addition with 1922. And that everyone know the addition subtraction basic things, but still I'm teach you the basic again. Like 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17, 17 here, right? 17, get it's 7 with carry 1, and 2 plus 1, put here carry 1 is smaller, like 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 3 and 1 is 4. There is no carry, so this is upper. Like simply you can add this one. Take another example like 4 2 9 1 1 2 0 3 1 8. Simply just edit. How it will work? 1 plus 8, that is the 9. 9 first letter will put here, and there is a no any carry, so again 1 plus 1 2, 2 will put here, there is a no carry. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 here is 2, and left here is 1 carry, put here the carry like smaller. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, like 3 there is no carry. 4 plus 2 6, still there is no left carry. Okay, like simply you add it. Okay, is there anything? Let's another example. 9244310880. Add it. How it will add? Let's zoom it some here. Okay, 3 plus 0 will be 3, 4 plus 8 will be 12. Here 12, I put here 2 will not here, and carry 1 is left. 4 plus 8 again 12, with 1 carry 13. 13 here, right, note down 3, carry 1 left. Here 2 plus 0 is 2, and there was a 1 carry, with 1 carry there is 3, 3 here, there is no carry left. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 right here 0 and left 1. Is there anything we have to add? No. So just then put here carry. Okay, simple. Take another example like 4308995 21280877. How it will add? Oh, sorry. Here I mistakenly put here minus sign. Here also I mistakenly put here minus sign. So we correct it. 5 plus 7 will be 12. 12. Take first letter 2 and left here 1 carry. 9 plus 7 will be what? 16. 16 with 1 carry 17. 17 here, write down 7 and left here 1 carry. 8 plus 9 will be 17. 17 with 1 carry 18. Here put here 8 with carry 1. 8 plus 0 8 with 1 carry 9. There is a no carry. 0 plus 2 will be 2. There is a no carry. 3 plus 1 will be 4. Still no carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. Still there is no carry. So simply edit. Okay, let's take some complex example like 493120987724. Simply edit. How it will add? 1 plus 8 will be 9. 9 plus 4 will be 13. Here 13, 13 take 3. Here write note down 3 and left here is 1 carry. 3 plus 1 carry 4. 9 plus 4 will be 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 here, write down 5. Left here carry 1. 9 plus 1 carry 10. 10 plus 0 will be 10. 10 plus 7 will be 17. Here write down 7. With left 1 carry. 4 plus 2 1. 4 plus 1 carry 5 plus 2 7. 7 and 7 will be 14. 14 here, write down 4. Left 1 carry. Is there anything we have to add? No. So at the end put here is left carry. Okay, that is easy. Okay, take another example like 8203110584. Here is some complex example. I mean, you haven't seen anywhere. So how it will add? Like here, here is 18. Okay, don't write here is like 8 here, 1 here, and never put here empty. Okay, somewhere you can see like 1 3 2 4. Okay, 1 3 2 4 1 8, and anyone can say that edit. So you can't add like here 4 2 plus 8 will be 2 plus 8 will be 10. 10 0 will be 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4 with 1 carry is 5. 1 is 1. That is the completely wrong method. Okay, that is the wrong. What will you write? Firstly, write write it properly like 1 3 4 1 3 2 4, and then this 18 will be from here. 8 firstly here, then 1. So then you can add 4 plus 8 will be 12. 12 is 12. Put here 2. Left 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. With 1 carry is 4. There is a no carry. 3 is 3. 1 is 1. That is a correct way. Okay. So be aware for all of these kind of examples. So let's come back in previous example. 4 plus 8 will be 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 9 will be 29, 29 is here, right here 9. What left carry is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 is 7. Is there any carry? No, no left carry. 2 plus 7 will be 9 plus 1 10 plus 8 18. 18 here is right 8. What is left carry is still 1. 8 here is nothing. 8 plus 1 is 9. There was a 1 carry is 10. 10 put here 0. Is there anything we have to add? No. So at the last put here your left carry. Okay, that is a simple question. Okay, is it easy or difficult? Very easy. Some kind of addition will be like 4 2 3 plus 5 0 1. How it will add? From you have to count from right side. Okay, from right side first letter is 1, and here also from right side first letter is 3. Okay, so uh, here is first letter will be add with first letter, second letter will be add with second letter, third letter will add with third number. Okay, so just simply add like accordingly, and don't mix here and there. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 3 plus 1 will be 4. First letter is over. First number is over. Come to the second number. Here is second number is 2. Here is second number is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Is there was any carry? No. So 2 is 2. Still there is no left carry. 4 plus 5. Here is second number is over. Come to the third number. Third number here is 4. Here is 5. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Is there was any carry? No. So 9 will be 9. So this kind of addition you will see anywhere. So come to the some example also, like 4 7 2 0 plus 3 4. How it will add? Simply 34, here is 34, here is 4720. So from here first letter is 4, here is first letter is 0. So from right side you have to add 0 plus 4 will be 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Is there any carry? No. First number is over. First number is over. Come to the second number. Second number is 2 plus 3 will be 5. 5 is fair. 5 is 5. There is no carry. Second number is over. Come to the third number. Third number here is 7, but here is no any third number. So simply note down the third number is 7. Here keep in mind, is there was any left carry? No, there was no left carry. So 7 is 7. It is 4 will be here is 4. There is a no fourth letter. So write down here 4. Okay. Similarly, take another example like 90023 plus 481 plus 772911. Can you see here? No, something is wrong here. So now you can see in the screen. Here is a 5 letter, here is a 3 letter, here is a 6 letter. How will you add? Simply, here was a 4th letter, here is a 2 number, here is 3 number, here is 4 number, here is 3 number. You have to add accordingly with series wise. Similarly, here also you have to add accordingly. So here is from right side, first number is 3, here is first number is 1, here is also first number is 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4, plus 1 will be 5. 5, keep some space for remaining addition. 5 is here. Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. First number is over. Come to the second number. Here is second number is 2, here is second number is 8, here is second number is 1. 2 plus 8 will be 10. 10 plus 1 will be 11. 11, here is 1. Keep in mind is 1 carry. Here is 0, here is third number is 0, here is third number is 4, here is third number is 9. 0 plus 4 will be 4, plus 9 will be 13, plus 1 carry is 14. 14, here is 4, and 1 left carry. Here is fourth number is 0, fourth number, in there is no fourth number, here is fourth number is 2. 0 plus 2 will be 2, plus 1 carry is 3. 3 is 3. Here is fifth number is 9, there is no fifth number, here is fifth number is 7. 9 plus 7 will be 16. 16, and there was no carry, so 16 here is 6. Keep in mind 1 carry. Here is no 6 letter, here is no 6 letter, but here is 6 letter. 6 letter is 7, and 1 was carry. There 7 plus 1 carry is 8. Like simple like addition. Okay, is it easy? Exactly, it is easy. So don't make a mistake. Write down if you want to write. Here some example as I taught you. Simply pause this video and note down all question if you want to write. Similarly, here also pause this video and note down all examples. Yeah, you had note down. So this example is enough for today. So let's see tomorrow. Next lecture I will teach you the subtraction. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind.